How could I let my guard down in front of him? How could I cry in front of him, for heaven's sake? I need to pull myself together. Yes, I need to be stronger. I can't let him win this. End of the day score. Him 4, me 3. Isn't it something that we all do? Okay, no one would admit it, but deep down, don't we have a constant competition with one another? Or more specifically, a constant competition with the opposite gender. On one hand, we talk about things as well as fight about things such as gender equality and women empowerment. And on the other hand, what do? Think things as pathetic as boys versus girls? Here, let me ask you a question. Does boys versus girls, student versus teacher, parent versus child really important? Does that really matter? If you ask me, no, it does not matter. It is not at all important. It is just your mindset that you think it is important. Just because you need to win, you do not need to compete with one another. These thoughts are perilous not only to ourselves but to the society as well. If you want to compete in fields where both the parties can gain knowledge and experience. Do not compete to mock or tease each other. To put a facade just because you think that if you let your guard down, you will lose and the other person will win. Let us focus and concentrate on giving each other a supportive environment where one can study, grow, help and develop each other. Let us do this together. Let's stop discriminating each other on the basis of gender. Thank you.